Greetings my dear friends. With regards to my early explanation on the kitchen garden video, after the 11 to 12 days of plantation, all my plants have grown to a certain level, so that I can explain you some fruitful experience what I have gained. So you can see the tomato plants that has been grown to an extent level, and the chili plants also, chili plants and the brinjal plants, cauliflower plant, everything has grown to a certain level. But you see, I have followed a methodology of watering 4 days in a once. I just used tap water to just pass through the pathways. Here it is the solam and the maize, so that has also grown well. And next is the tapioca. Tapioca has also grown well for these 10 to 11 days of time. I've used the methodology of watering the plants by using this pathway. I've just left the tap water inside this pathway and let the water to touch near the plants. That has made all the weeds to grow on a higher level. You see weeds are the very great enemy for the plants. They suck all the water for the plants and the growth minerals what the plants are supposed to extract and grow. So in order to control these weeds, I've just stopped watering as such, and I've used a vessel and a small cup to water my plants. That is by taking a cup of water and just pouring in very near to the plant alone, so that the weeds doesn't get enough water to grow. Rather, it is just a temporary solution to make it finally and permanently get rid of all these weeds. I want to remove all these weeds weeds from the root level, so that it doesn't grow again and again when I used to water. So after this, I want to remove all these weeds and then do. So this is you just integrate this obstacle or the hurdle what I have faced in terms of a large farming. You can visualize what the farmer will face, farmer difficulties are. So to avoid these kind of weeds, they use drip irrigation. Drip irrigation is normally used for avoiding weeds and using water efficiently. So, and I just thought to share you all, to make you all understand, and it gives me inspirational aspect of sharing with you what I have learned or what I came to know. So again, I'll be back after a few days with all these weeds removed and the plants getting grown well. Thank you all friends.